Welcome back to Wellbeing Insights. Today we're visiting some Hollywood kitchens to uncover celebrity secret smoothie recipes. We're about to serve you the ultimate rundown of the yummiest, most nutritious smoothies whipped up by 7 of our favorite Hollywood celebrities. Let's go. Number 1. Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy Teigen offers a delicious recipe for her no disappointment smoothie. It's a vegan, mango-filled delight that proves to be delectably satisfying, fulfilling, and palatable. Lauren Whitman, a registered dietitian, notes, "This smoothie is perfect for anyone desiring a creamy and rich drink sans dairy." The turmeric in the recipe is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, potentially aiding in warding off harm from UV rays and free radicals. The mango not only gives a hint of sweetness but is also packed with vitamins A and C that promote healthy eyes and skin. Meanwhile, the avocado lends the smoothie its fiber content, B vitamins and good fats, aiding in the absorption of all the nutritious goodness within the smoothie. Number 2. Reese Witherspoon. Green smoothies are a daily staple for Reese Witherspoon, a tradition she's held for years and replaces her breakfast with. The morning show actress shared her recipe on Instagram in May 2020, mentioning that she usually enjoys it around 10 or 11 a.m. According to nutrition expert Whitman, this concoction is bursting with a myriad of micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, including chlorophyll and beta-carotene. The abundance of romaine in the mix supplies considerable amounts of vitamin C, iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These are essential for maintaining radiant skin, robust bones, and potentially warding off various illnesses. Additionally, the inclusion of leafy greens and whole fruit introduces a generous amount of fiber. Number 3. Tom Brady. NFL star. Tom Brady, who retired once again at 45 after playing with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, has always prioritized his fitness. A father of 3, Brady committed to beginning each day with a morning smoothie, a habit that undoubtedly played a part in his long career. He recently shared a video of his typical breakfast smoothie and even included an alternative recipe for when he's out of blueberries. Registered dietitian and author of The Better Period Food Solution, Tracy Lockwood Beckerman, comments on the plethora of superfoods packed into Brady's smoothie. She notes that it is rich in omega-3s from hemp milk, anthocyanin from blueberries, and magnesium from walnuts and chia seeds, all essential for combating inflammation, fighting diseases, and managing stress. Number 4. Adrienne BAILON. Amidst the pandemic, Adrienne BAILON embarked on a health journey that resulted in her losing 20 pounds. She proudly flaunted her toned physique in a black bikini on social media. As co-host of The Reel, she enriched her diet with protein, even sharing her spinach smoothie recipe. According to Beckerman, this smoothie, thanks to its spinach content, is rich in folate, a B vitamin known for combating disease, reducing inflammation, and oxidative stress. She further explains that spinach is a valuable source of vitamin C that promotes collagen production for firm, elastic skin. The addition of organic peanut butter delivers a healthy dose of vitamin E, which aids in the creation of energy-producing iron-rich red blood cells. Number 5. Kourtney Kardashian. Despite Kourtney Kardashian not having a cookbook to her name yet, she generously shares her inventive recipes on her lifestyle website, Poosh. The reality TV star is known for preparing nutritious breakfasts for herself and her children. As Whitman observes, the use of blueberries and strawberries in her recipes deliver health-boosting properties due to their richness in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components that safeguard the heart and brain and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. She continues by stating that the recipe cleverly incorporates spinach, which is abundant in nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron, offering a subtle hint of greens without compromising the flavor. Number 6. Rachel Ray Feeder characterizes Rachel Ray's frothy chili fruit smoothie recipe as an embodiment of health and simplicity. Loaded with an assortment of fruits that are high in antioxidants and fiber, this smoothie is excellent for mitigating inflammation in the body. Simultaneously, it bolsters digestive health and offers a rich supply of vitamins and minerals. Number 7. Jennifer Garner appraises this blend as one of the most nutritionally balanced smoothies one could whip up. It brims with healthy seeds and nut butter, offering a good dose of fiber beneficial for gut health, along with healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids that are key to sustained energy, brain health, digestive well-being, and managing bodily inflammation. Additionally, the spinach and blueberries deliver a wealth of micronutrients and antioxidants. Fader also highlights the satiating properties of the collagen protein, which not only helps to keep hunger at bay for longer, but also aids in muscle recovery and skin repair. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to keep up with WBI health information. See you next time.